2n plus 1 minus 1 into d, that is 2. So solve this. 2n plus 1 upon 2 into 4 plus 4n. So again it becomes the same thing. 2 outside, 2n plus 1 the whole square. So s odd and s even both are same only. So s odd upon s even equals to 2n plus 1 the whole square upon 2n plus 1 the whole square, that is 1. So that's the required answer. Next is 20th. State true or false. So we have 3-4 sub questions. First is Sn equals to root 2 plus root 8 plus root n plus blah 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 blah, and the final answer is n upon root 2 into 1 plus n. This is what we have to find out whether it is true or not. Okay, let's solve this. So solve this first. Root 2 plus 8 is what? 2 root 2, right? 4 into 2. 2 outside, 4 becomes, take the square root of 4, 2 root 2. Plus 18 is what? 9 2s are, right? So square root then 3 root 2 plus blah blah blah. Okay. So a equals to root 2. What is the common difference? You see, it's one and the same. So common difference is 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is 1 root 2. Similarly, if you check for second and third also, it will be the same thing. Okay. So a you got, d you got. Therefore Sn equals to what? N upon 2 into a root 2, right? A is root 2 plus n minus 1 into d, that is also root 2. Solve this. N upon 2 into 2 root 2 plus n root 2 minus root 2. Getting it? So 2 root 2 minus root 2 is 1 root 2, that is root 2. Therefore root 2 plus n root 2 and n upon 2 as it is. So take root 2 common. So n root 2 upon 2 into 1 plus n. What we are solving? We are solving Sn, right? So this root 2 and 2, it can be cancelled. So n root 2 upon root 2 into root 2 into 1 plus n. Solve this. It becomes 1 n upon root 2 into 1 plus n. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.